I didn't want a video.
Yeah, video it.
Video it.
No! No!
Show everybody what you made for dinner, Jason.
No!
This is what Jason made for me and him to eat for dinner. It's green, goopy, toilet paper, nasty. What else is in it?
I want water, juice, mustard, milk. What is this? Salt and
Read right here.
garlic salt.
Garlic salt.
You tasted garlic salt.
You tasted garlic salt.
No, I tasted this.
Salt? Well, anyway, it was very, salty.
I wonder if I put some of this inside her little.
Do you do this at Mommy's house?
No.
No.
This is my first time.
Your first time?
I guess so.
We're doing Experiment X.
I guess I would get an S at this.
There's no grade. It's experimenting. It's called a concoction. Oh, and there's butter in there. You can't forget the butter.
There we go.
Yeah.
Now it looks like blueberry.
Yeah.
I don't think I'm able to carry it. It's about.
Talk to your mommy. Tell her to drink it.
You drink it. We tasted it.
Tell mommy what it tasted like.
No, tasted like
Poo-poo.
garlic salt
Garlic salt
and salt.
and salt. We didn't
And
taste.
butter.
No, I didn't taste the butter. I just tasted garlic. I didn't taste juice, milk.
That's where I put the garlic, right there. And if you tasted right there, you would have tasted mustard.